The growth and advancement of the Chinese Navy has been incredible, as China's strategic portfolio is advancing even faster than the US anticipated. The country's giant aircraft carriers are at the vanguard of its incredible naval expansion. In today's video, we are going to unveil China's most amazing and impressive giant aircraft carriers. So with that said, let's just get into our great story for today. But before we move on, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to always be notified of our latest updates. Here we have China's first homemade aircraft carrier, the Shandong. It is China's first domestically designed, built, and outfitted aircraft carrier. It carries J-15 fighter jets and other carrier-based aircraft. The successful building of China's aircraft carrier Shandong demonstrates the country's industrial strength, making the decades-long dream of the Chinese people a reality. This Type 002 carrier was built by the Dalian Shipbuilding Industry Company and was launched on April 26, 2017. It was given the hull number 17 and entered service on December 17, 2019 at a naval port in Sanya, South China's Hainan province. Watch what is on China's aircraft carrier Liaoning. Around 2,000 residents in Hong Kong got a sneak peek at the warship as it opened for public tours over the weekend. The first aircraft carrier commissioned into the People's Liberation Army Navy Surface Force. China launched its third and most advanced aircraft carrier, taking another step toward a goal of building a blue-water navy with at least 6 carriers by 2035. The Fujian, named after China's southeastern coastal province, is different in design from its predecessors because it features a flat-top flight deck as well as a faster and more energy-efficient electromagnetic catapult system to launch planes. Much of this new Chinese ship's combat systems remain a state secret, but analysts have uncovered some important information about China's third aircraft carrier and what it means for the future of the PLA Navy. China's Liaoning aircraft carrier has been released on Chinese social media platform Weibo and truly has become an instant hit. The entry of China's first aircraft carrier, the Liaoning, into service with the People's Liberation Army Navy attracted considerable attention from both the Chinese press and military observers around the world. Chinese aircraft carrier Liaoning, joined by several destroyers, conducted a drill in the Yellow Sea with J-15 jets on board. During the drill, the fighter jets carried out a series of tasks including takeoff and landing, air interception, and aerial refueling. As the first aircraft carrier commissioned into the People's Liberation Army Navy Surface Force, Liaoning is being used by the Navy as a training ship to practice with carrier usage. This is the second advanced aircraft carrier from China. The country launched its second aircraft carrier, also the first domestically built one, in a shipyard in northeast China. Just watch the rare footage and animation about how the second carrier was built. So, that's where the story ends today. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.